Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Zuzu, and if you're not new here, you know the drill. Today we are doing a little 4th of July vlog. Today is July 3rd. But yeah, we're about to leave to go to our campsite in Pennsylvania. So that's gonna be kind of a long drive. But we have red, but I don't own any red clothing. So we have a pink crop top, tank top. We have blue shorts that I need to pull down. We have white socks. We have the blue nails and we have the red. Elizabeth didn't have any red nail polish, so we have the red nails and the blue nails. We got the 2 4th of July hair ups, and then this one with the little star. But yeah, today I'm taking you guys along with me to see our family.
Wow.
That's the damage stuff.
Wow.
I'm putting all this stuff in the car. I'm putting the stuff all outside for my dad to put in the car. And it's so hot, like I'm sweating so bad.
Brother,
That's where I'm sitting. Okay guys, so I don't know exactly how far away it is, but since it's in Pennsylvania, I'm thinking like 4 hours. But here's the setup. Literally crammed. No room, no nothing. But it's okay, I guess. But I'll let you guys know once we're already on the road. Okay guys, we made it. Oh my god, I feel so crippled. It's not focusing, but there's a sunset and it's pretty. How it's looking like so far. We were just on the trampoline, guys, and yeah. You want to say hi? I do YouTube.
You do YouTube?
It's only if you want to.
I'll say hi. What's up?
We were just watching the little kids, the little gremlins, right? Say yes.
Yes.
Yes, get it, sister. Get it, twin. Period.
Slay.
Have a great day, sweetheart.
Okay guys, we're ending day 1.
brother, what's that?
I'm so tired. Okay, I just woke up and now I'm going to the bathroom. Okay guys, I look really bad and I just saw that in the mirrors, but like at least my skin is getting better. But I was so petrified last night because I didn't take my phone because I wasn't allowed to, but I was walking to the bathroom at like 12 a.m. And it was just so dark and I had to keep looking back to see nothing like was following me or anything because I was just so scared and like so scared. And then I literally like had to use the shirt I was wearing to dry my face and dry my hands because I had no paper towels, and I forgot a towel and I didn't ask anyone to bring me a paper towel because I didn't have my phone. And like the signal, I also might not be able to record a lot today. So 1, my phone's at 25%. 2, I think we're gonna do like a no phone day, and my dad thinks I can record all of this at home, which is not possible, but okay. Yeah, I'll try to record as much as possible, but I can't promise anything. Hey guys, it's a long time later. But I'm charging my phone right now, but we're about to go to the pool and I finished everybody's hair. Guys, it's still day 2, but it's a little later again. We got done in the pool like 3-4 hours ago, and it started raining, but then it stopped. So now I'm gonna go take a shower. Ooh. Okay, guys, it's like a lot later again, and now I'm just getting out of the lake. I tried doing some TikTok, but it didn't really work because there isn't really a sunset. We also rode bikes and we also ate dinner. So yeah, but now I'm about to go back to the other like campsite. Making s'mores now. Guys, good morning. It's morning, day 3, and I just woke up and we're about to eat breakfast. Well, I think we're going hiking today, so I'll try to record that, but my phone's at 15%. I don't know how far that's gonna get me, but yeah.
That is not very nice what you did to my Band-Aid.
Like a bald eagle, but it's alright because we're about to go hiking, and I did a little slick back. Slick back. No, slick back. So we're about to leave to go hiking. Okay, guys, so we made it to the trail, and we're watching the waterfall right now. I think people are gonna jump, but I don't know. Okay, guys, we just got done with the hike, and now we're going to Walmart. I'm so sleepy. Oh, the lashes are lashes.
За ними йдемо чи до Walmart'u? Szybko za nimi mam jechać czy do...
Okay, guys, I know I look pretty sweaty right now, but we just drove over to the sunset, so it's so pretty. There was more of it, but like obviously we had to take pictures and make TikToks, so yeah, I'll post those. But that is so pretty. But yeah, now we're going back.
Raczej rozrywkowa i w dodatku wsiąkła w ziemię. Wyrósł czarodziejski. Minęło parę stuleci i niedaleko od tego miejsca wyrosło
Love the
sobie
toes.
państwo.
Okay, I just went to the camper to go get my swimsuit because it was hanging. But we're about to go tubing. I'm kind of scared. I'm also really hungry. I'm also really tired because last night I was woken up at 3 a.m. to go back to the tent because I was sleeping in a camper. So yeah. So I'm really tired. And I'm hungry. Okay, guys. Sorry for yelling, but it's like a lot later, and we got out the lake, or like whatever it's called, and we're on a hot girl walk right now. And this dude was on this golf cart with his parents and like his sister and his friends and her friends, I think. I don't know though. But he was like, "Hey, yo, ladies," and he asked us for our snaps, but then he drove away, so like we couldn't like give him that. It was a little. No, but she wanted his snap.
Oh, you did too.
Excuse me. Anyways, we're gonna show you guys the fireworks because they're doing fireworks tonight. They're doing fireworks tonight. No, once there is something. Okay, guys, we're about to go watch the fireworks.
Okay guys, today is like the last night that we're here, and I'm gonna end the video here because I have a lot of footage, but it was really fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to join me for my next one. Love you guys. Bye guys. Chodźcie. Chodźcie. Jeśli buziaczka.
Co się robi to?
Tak.